Hi, I'm Bill Broombaugh, and I'm here today to introduce you to Spring BioFuel. I would like to take you on a tour of our facility today, but before we get started with that, I would like to tell you a little bit about our company. Spring BioFuel is a division of the Spring Blank Book Company, which was founded in 1887 by D.M. Bear. The company has been operated by descendants of D.M. Bear ever since. Spring BioFuel is a result of a project that started in our Martinsburg facility in 2006. We were trying to reduce our landfill usage and set out to try to recycle as much material as we could. If you would like to know more about our company history, please check out our website. Now let's get started with our tour. This is where the process of making our product begins. Once we have an order and we determine what raw material we're going to make based on a customer's needs, we mix the material here on the floor and then dump it into the drag chain conveyor where it goes up overhead to our grinder. The raw material is traveling up the drag chain conveyor where it'll be dumped off and go into our large grinder here. Our grinder is a single shaft rotary cross-cut grinder that weighs over 38,000 pounds. When the material leaves our grinder, it goes by drag chain conveyor into our metering bin. Our metering bin is an essential piece of equipment that is integrated with our grinder. It has a high and low level limit switch on it that tells the grinder how fast to operate. And also there are several large rakes inside the metering bin that stir the material to keep it consistent. This is essential as this feeds the cuber and will assure that we always have a high quality cube. When the material leaves the metering bin, it again goes by drag chain conveyor where it passes a large magnet that pulls any metal out that could have been in the material. From there, it goes into our cuber where we have control of 8 different water ports so we can add moisture if we need to. Now we're at the front of our cuber. Our cuber is nothing more than a giant extruder that has heated dies. There are cubes falling out the whole way around the wheel. The heated dies ensure that we can control the dwell time and the temperature at which the material is bonding together. The cubes fall onto a conveyor where they pass into our cooler. Our cooler is nothing more than a large bin that has conveyor belts where we're pulling ambient air up across them to cool them to room temperature. When the material leaves the cooler, it travels by conveyor up onto our mezzanine, and it is determined what type of packaging it will get. This is an example of a bulk shipment where we're using a walking floor trailer to distribute one of our heating products. Here we have an example of a Gaylord box containing a heating product that weighs approximately 1/2 ton. Here we have a super sack also containing a heating product, and a super sack will contain almost 1 ton. Over here we have a residential heating product. It's a 1 cubic foot cardboard box that weighs approximately 30 pounds. Here's another example of a residential heating product. It's a 1/3 cubic foot bag that weighs approximately 10 pounds. These are just some examples of how we can package things. We can package things in a wide variety of ways based on whatever our customers' needs are. Now we're in the control room. From here, we can control any part of the state-of-the-art system. I would like to thank you for taking the tour with us today and look forward to hearing from you so we can discuss how RS Biofuel could become your energy provider.